absolutely nothing, and I attacked into it. I was like, why'd you call it out?
Yeah, no.
You cut this right?
Yeah. I'm so mad. I'm so mad how good my hand is because I switched it out.
Oh, did it actually get better because of the whole swap?
Yeah, because
I told you, bro.
The thing is, I know. I just want to commit to Coral.
Listen to me, bro.
If I'm here to win, I'll do Riviere Coral, but I'm committed to Coral.
You're still playing Coral.
Yeah, but not the starter. That's already like a hit.
Well, it's fine. Just substitute Coral starter for a Coral Mac.
Oh, you can run the Coral starter in deck.
Yeah, it's the main board.
There's one of them that.
No, here's what you do. I run this as a Coral starter, and this is my main deck. Ride the Grade 1 Coral, draw a card, shove it to my soul, Grade 1 Riviere, Soul Blaster. Oh,
Starter. Wow. Look at my hand.
Oh, it's been a Coral. You actually watched the Melody anime thing?
The melody thing?
Yeah. So I found this on the artist Twitter who made Coral, and then he has a map now. That. They made that.
You know, Bree can just get that pretty quick.
But I'm debating about it because I don't want to order too many mats because for one, it costs money, and two, you know, if I get a new mat, I stop playing with this one.
True. So or you only commit to this one, Great Nature, and then Coral on the other one.
Yeah.
Big brain plays. I might actually start playing on this one as much.
You're not going, or you're going to?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to swap it. Like I'm gonna play like every other week. I swap up the mats.
Yeah.
Cause I only own 2 anyway. Yo, that's wild.
Yeah.
And you get free +1.
That's why I'm mad because it works.
You drew, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you get this time? Did you get the grade 2?
Yeah, but let's go for Grade 1.
That's cool. Yo, I whiffed that majority of the time. That's wild.
The thing is that when I was playing Premium, when I made the deck for Premium, I was like, wow, this is so consistent. I love this engine. But I don't want to play Riviere, I want to play Coral.
I mean, to be fair, like, all these other cards you would have rolled would have been like garbage cards.
Yeah, that's a problem. I'll discard this for Shine. Oh no, I missed Psych.
Roll. Wow. Okay.
This is so good, so free. Eat. I'm counting through my deck.
You've netted out 3 cards already. Actually, no, 4. You netted out 4 cards.
5.
You actually hit. I can't even rent this key, bro.
Oh, he's not here. Don't worry, I got it recorded. I'll show him later.
Fuck, man. You know what's crazy? This doesn't even ruin the consistency because these are just actual good boosters.
Yeah. And well, since the Grade 2 to use, let's call you out.
Oh my god!
Call you out. 10.
Oh no.
10. I learned. You're gonna guard or you're taking the hit. 8. Or, you know, you can no pass me and I'm.
But
Eat, crit.
some said guard.
Go. You said go. Oh, did you want to guard it?
No, I said someone told me to guard. Sucks so bad.
God.
She's broke.
I have to invest in this now.
Try to.
Hello.
It's a little shiny card.
Oh, yeah. Where's my shiny Coral? Here. No.
So you play hard.
Yeah, no pass.
This is 25 there.
Yeah, now eat it.
I got cards such in hand. I'm okay with this. Ride. I'll draw first.
Wow. Let's put you here.
No, that's its own. Yes, it's good. Great ones.
I'll take that.
Is that even a bad thing?
No, it's in Vanguard.
Here you go. Thanks, Anthony.
No problem.
This jacket's the best.
I know the old one. The inside got really roughed up. You know what I mean.
Yeah.
20 van. 20 van.
Yo.
Yes.
I'm so mad I fucking threw that engine in now. Like, I'm getting my ass whooped by my own creation.
You would think I'm playing, Riviere. No, it's meant to be Coral, but you know what? Hey, it fucking works.
Skill.
How much? I came here to steal blueberry.
And a high roll!
Oh yeah, I forgot you high rolled. Imagine if I high rolled.
Oh, have mercy.
I mean, you Chris act me now, I'm probably just gonna die.
Yeah, that kind of
Skill.
Yep. Yeah, on the outside how well this works. The Riviere engine is so good. 10k boosters.
Oh, you're still playing Coral, just that's
Yo, so I revamped this deck and my swatted.
You went first, he's at 5 damage.
Yeah!
Oh.
It's a woman. What kind of tables have 20? Yeah, I just need to check heals. I can get back in again. My bad.
Double crit.
Oh, that's shield value, shield value. Attack. 2 damage. Alright, go ahead.
Card in hand.
Wait, can I see that card? Shield value.
7 cards.
Cards in hand.
7.
Oh man, this is great. That card is amazing.
It is.
It's action broke. Imagine there was a trigger that said nullity.
Oh my god, bro.
sounds like a premium thing.
Yeah,
You're right.
Like a quick trigger.
I third in my hand.
Crit trigger.
Yeah, I'm
plus
like
10k.
so
25
far
feet
behind.
shield.
This actually sucks. I didn't know I was this far behind. I should have guarded that crit, bro. Someone told me to guard this shit. God, someone said guard it.
Up. Those 2 triggers.
Okay.
Don't worry. There might be more triggers later.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, no great threes. Whatever.
This shit says I have to guard it with zeros, right?
Yep.
Only.
You want to block Coral zeros.
Fuck. I think.
This is gonna be 23, Carol.
Shit. How big?
Wait. Oh, 50k shield?
Yeah.
Okay. 35, 45. Oh.
Shit's so bad, boys.
The best thing is, even if I don't rewrite, I still got a soul. Okay, that's gonna be a lot of numbers.
Skill. Last one.
Oh, good draw, whatever.
Oh, well, we got that one.
So, global 5?
To the front.
Oh, wait, to the front? They're about to attack the Vanguard. Usually gets 5. Oh, okay. I see what it means.
Cut is here.
Yeah. Carol boost.
Still a 10k boost, so it's a 30 column.
Yeah.
30 bad. Do you need a number?
You're this is Riviere, I think you use it. Numbers.
Oh yeah.
This first. Ability.
It's on this PlayStation for I'm actually thinking about getting it, but it's just expensive, right? It's $300 for a Switch.
Yeah. I mean, you can switch lights.
So,
You take away the
I'm probably just gonna PC that.
okay, I was
In
gonna
my
say.
opinion,
I was thinking about actually.
Because it's
wanting-
actually going to be 10k to the back, 15k to the front, so 25 to the column.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Games that have a lot of games.
What's up?
When did the Switch come out?
Brian needs to ride home today. Can you accommodate?
Sure.
Huh? No, he does not.
Hey, I remember this time. I remember I didn't drive.
I'm trying to get a new Switch.
Good for you, Steven.
Honestly, Nintendo's really good with keeping the same type of
Yeah, he is a motherfucker. I'm getting my ass whooped.
Don't give me a good pack.
All of them still ran the same thing. I think if I was right, you can still run DS games on 3DS.
Really?
I can't remember, but I think you could.
I'm sure she still has
DS
this
games.
Oh no, because I don't.
Oh, fair enough.
I have
Just because well,
Yeah,
I already
so
have it in my
the thing about
hand.
Nintendo's, even though they come out one day and they
Doesn't
come
matter
out with
which one for
nothing
the
next
extra
year,
song.
it all supports.
it's kind of bounces back just because
Well,
well,
that's
Core doesn't
different,
get any
though, 'cause
power.
DS been out
She
for a
has a
while
good
before they
Yeah.
actually.
Zeros.
I was like,
Is anyone? Oh, she's intercept, right? And then you can get more power and intercept.
Well, no, I have to have Fina on board.
Okay.
that is
the Wii. But that's not handheld.
It's a
It still
fighting
makes
game, yeah.
3DS as
like
well.
the Pokemon X and Y was from
Let's go on.
Yeah, because they came out, all they did was 3DS, 3DS XL, 3DS
I don't
Lite.
know. I never had to buy DS games for my 3DS.
I don't know what I'm going to think.
I'm on my 3DS. I played 3 games.
I'll stop that Game Boy.
So this is 13, right?
I'm saying, like, as they did it, it's a good amount of years before they come out with something new. Like, PS4 is like, no PS3 games.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah,
Right.
I don't like that.
That's the only reason I haven't bought a PS4 because it's a lot of PS3
This was an
games.
absolute misplay.
You can't back it.
I heard the PS5 plays all of them. I hope that
What?
I don't know. I hope they put
I was mistaking her for the other card. I kind of lost one guard
They
two
put
more.
the scramble.
That's the point of me having a weaker number.
I
totally
You still might win this, funny enough.
because they're putting scramble on the Switch.
Yeah,
They just have like a number roll, right?
No, but they're
It's that
like,
number,
they
right?
can also
They
put
put scramble
No, I'm
on
sorry,
to,
these.
Oh yeah, their number is
they were using
Joker and
25, 35,
Yeah.
43, 25,
They said they were
35,
willing to do whatever,
45.
you know, like people were willing
Yeah, so
to
same
pay
number.
for, but
45, 43.
I'm willing to pay for it too. I'm willing to wait.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to
Same
give
block,
me-
essentially.
I'll wait
I'm sorry,
till
same
someone
block.
uses it. But they ended up not doing it.
I don't know, it might be talking
Now
about.
mind you, I still charge 2 crits, so there's a good chance I might not be hitting it.
Right, that's what I'm accounting for. But it's like,
One pass.
Jalen, you want
right.
to test? Premium? Yeah,
After the swish,
Out of this, I'm gonna do some schoolwork. Out of this, I'm gonna do some schoolwork. So, yo, I'm gonna go vape really quick. You can do whatever for a second. Unless you want to get your stuff ready.
This is base number, right?
Yeah.
13. And these
I
are.
did not bounce a corner. No, I did actually. No, I
This is
did
my new
I didn't
church.
bounce. I misplayed. Totally. I would never do that again.
Right.
Wait, it's not 28?
No, he didn't bounce back a Coral-Riviere. That's why I asked him. I said, "You're not bouncing that back?"
I mistaken this card for something else. I was thinking that this was the guard 2 or more. So
You
that's
sack,
one.
bro. You sack. See?
I'll let you guard. You?
You sack. You sack, bro.
Because you said that, I was like, I'm going all in.
That's not quality.
I mean, the fact that he even soul charged 2 triggers too is like.
I told you
No.
3 triggers in a row.
So I high roll, and I was the one that fired damage the entirety of the game. Cause I swapped his deck up some.
Yeah, the Riviera engine is broke. I hit Riviera 4 times, all of them.
Yep.